Hello there. Just a short video about a question that I received in the PnP Modern Search repository. That was a question related to how can I actually find out which query is sent to the backend when I'm working with my PnP setup. So I have a classic one set up here. I have a results web part, I have some filter, and I have a search box. And so if I create some kind of search here, I just go for a request, for instance. And it sends the query to the backend, and I get this back. The real query that sends to the backend is easily found by going to the developer tools. If you go into the network, you send your query once more by refreshing the window. And you see this post query item up here. If you expand that and go into the payload, you can see the request that is actually sent to the backend. So in here you can see the query template that's used, the query text, any refiner if you're using any, and also the sort properties. For instance, that this query is using the refinable string 150 ascending as the sort request for this result. So this one contains a lot of funny info that you can inspect, and you can take this from here and take it into your SP editor or into the SharePoint search query tool and work with your query from there. I hope this was useful and you can